Everybody is interested in it. Just a stranger walking past and he sees the flag, he's a Somali. It surpassed even my expectations, you know. This is my house where I have lived for 25 years with my wife. When our new neighbours arrived, they were Somali people. We had Somali neighbours before that, but who we got on with quite well. But when the new neighbours arrived, we purchased a flag from Somalia and put it up. I found out when Somali National Day was, and I put the flag up. It was very fortunate that I happened to ask a Somali man, when is Somali National Day? And it was only about 3 weeks away. So I had 3 weeks to get a flag and put it up on the National Day. But ever since then, we do it every year. It's a means of saying welcome to the Somali people, who there are many in Heidelberg. Everybody is interested in it. If they're Somali folk, they'll be interested in why an Australian is flying their flag. But it's just a greeting and a hand of friendship, say. Australian people, they think it's a pretty good idea. It's certainly, I can't imagine that I would have known a means to get to know Somali people better than this has done. It surpassed even my expectations, you know. And people with whom I have no connection whatsoever suddenly find a connection. Just a stranger walking past is a Somali, and he sees the flag, and all of a sudden he has a relationship instantly. It was a great honour to be invited to a Somali wedding. I didn't know any other Western people were there that I knew, and I can talk to people around here and they don't get invited to the weddings. There are so many things that people are frightened of about strange people from different countries, different coloured skin and all this, and everything to be afraid of. I just determined to be friendly and extend a hand of friendship.